The present simple. How do we form the present simple? Form the present simple affirmative by using the subject, the verb, and the object. Subjects can be pronouns, for example, I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. For example, I play tennis. Subjects can also be nouns, that is, people, places, or things. For example, everyone listens to music. How to conjugate the present simple? The present simple verbs have two forms, the base verb and the base verb plus s. Which verb form should we use? It depends on the subject of the sentence. Use the base verb when the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they. Like this. For example, they chat every day. You get nice presents. Use the base verb plus s when the subject pronoun is he, she, or it. Like this. For example, he gives online classes. She speaks Spanish.
Hola.
It hunts for prey. How to form the negative? Form the present simple negative by using the subject, the auxiliary, the base verb, and the object. I don't play tennis. You don't play tennis. He, she, it doesn't play tennis. We don't play tennis. They don't play tennis. More examples. Lions don't eat grass. He doesn't understand the question. We don't like city life. Form the present simple questions by using the auxiliary, the subject, the base verb, and the object. Do I play tennis? Do you play tennis? Does he, she, it play tennis? Do we play tennis? Do they play tennis? Some more examples. Does she like music? Do you care about global warming? Remember, use the present simple to talk about repeated actions, facts and general truths, states and feelings, jobs and occupations. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.